welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with OQHAIR. Yes, it's 100% human hair that it says on the box, and this is how it looks. Social media and all that listed on the back. When I open the box, I see the wig. I also got a pair of lashes. I got a wig cap, and I got this little card here. You know, has more information about the company, you know, how to care for the hair, all that good stuff, and that's everything in the box. This is a 26-inch wig. Okay, it's 250% in density. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't feel that heavy. Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so silky and straight. I love the feeling of this. It feels really good. That not lie, it feels good. I don't know if you guys can. It's really silky and nice and straight. This feels bomb. I love this. It's pre-plucked. I do love that. It's nicely pre-plucked. That's gorgeous. The inside of the cap, it's like it's a 13 by 4 lace front. It has 4 combs in total inside and extra adjustable. It has adjustable straps in the back, and it looks real good. Looks real good. What I want to do today, I'm gonna put 2 streaks though. I'm gonna put streaks in the front of this. Yes, you know, give it a different look, you know, that nice streak vibe. Yes, I'm going to actually color just the front portion, customize it a little bit more, and make it a little bit more fun. This is the color I'm actually going to be using today, but it won't be like super bright. It's pink rose.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
So I'm just doing these 2 little strands in the front here. You know the vibes. So
oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
I'm not aiming to get it like extremely light in the front, because I don't want the color to be like extremely bright, if you get what I mean. So I'll be washing it out in about 2 minutes, you know, and then I'll go ahead and I'll apply my color to it, and then I'll just blow dry it. It's a really easy and quick process, to be honest. So, and it's taking the color, well, it's bleaching, it's lifting quite nicely. So yeah.
Fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. You do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold
So for today's Insta, as you can see, I dried the hair and everything is looking good. I'm going to be using glue for my install today. I want it to be very laid and I want to wear it for a little bit. I want to wear it for a couple days. So I'm gonna just do like 2 layers of glue. So as usual, you know, I have to wipe away the area that I'm going to apply the glue. And guys, please don't apply the glue on your edges. I always apply the glue in front of my edges, and I have no hassle to remove it. I don't lose my edges like when I'm supposed to remove the wig. I have no problem with hair loss. So you want to pay attention to where you're applying the glue, okay?
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
I'm pretty much like almost done with this wig, guys. I'm just running through it with my flat iron to just have that nice sleek look. It's really nice so far though. I really like how full it is. I've gotten minimal shedding, just so you guys know. And I really like how everything turned out. Alright guys, so I'm all done with this wig. Looks so good. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Very pleased. And even though like this part here, you can see it didn't take the color fully, I feel like I should have made it sit a little longer, but I like the vibe. I like the vibe of it. You know, it's streaked, but it's not too like, you know, it's like you can see it, you see that it's streaked, but it's not like overly bold. You know, it's really nice and it's true to length. I must say that the luster is beautiful. It's beautiful. So I am pleased with how it turned out. Overall, I feel like it's a really nice wig, and I definitely would recommend it if you're looking for a nice straight wig. I'm going to be sure to drop all the information on this wig. I'm just like here playing with the hair, flipping it all over the place, but yeah, I'm going to put all the information on this wig in my description box, the specifications, the direct link if you're interested in getting it for yourself. And yeah, you could definitely just feel free to go ahead and check that out. And shout out to OQHAIR once more for this bomb wig. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I love it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, for Vlogmas. I'm uploading every day over there, guys, until Christmas. Well, I'm going to be still uploading afterwards, but you know, it's daily uploads right now. It's just vibes. And yeah, good vibes, of course. And yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to open this up. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me